Here are the finished bowls. Is TikTok like shutting down or something? Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Good morning, I just got ready and today is kind of like a chill, relaxing day. I don't have a lot of things to do, it's kind of just like a day at home. And then I also wanted to do some like self-care things, so I might do that later. But yeah, I felt like vlogging today. First order of business, I have to clean my room. It's not that messy, like I just have to make my bed. And then there's just like clothes I need to put away, so let's do that. Room is clean. Personally, I feel like so much better when my room is clean. I just like having a tidy environment, you know? But yeah, here's the bed. Okay, stop. Here's the bed. A lot of you guys were asking in my last video where these pillows are from. They are from IKEA. I literally got them like 2 years ago in 2018, so I don't know if they still sell them. But yeah, those are from IKEA. I tidied up my dresser. This is also from IKEA, if you guys are wondering. There was like a bunch of things on there, but I got it all. And then we have my closet. My closet looks pretty clean, like it's color coded and everything, but it's kind of overflowing. So I may do another closet clean out video. I literally just did one like I think like 2 or 3 months ago, but like I might do another one, so let me know if you guys want that, because look, those are just clothes. They're clean, but they just need to be hung up, but I don't have any more hangers. And just like some of these clothes I don't even fit anymore, so I might as well just like clean out some stuff. But yeah, I'll just save that for another video. Now I'm gonna go downstairs to make some food. I think I might make some acai bowls. Hi Dad.
What's up guys?
Do you want an acai bowl?
Oh yes, please.
Okay. Hi Sadie. Come here Sadie, say hi to the vlog. You're so cute. Welcome to the kitchen. Bro, I feel like I haven't made an acai bowl in a really long time, especially on camera. Oh my god, you guys don't know about the new blender. Okay, so we got this like a month ago, I think. It was actually my grandma and grandpa's, but they're in the Philippines right now, so they were just like, you can take the blender. I was like, and it's really nice too. It's like a ninja and the blades are really good. But yeah, so we're gonna make some acai bowls. I'm gonna tell you guys all the ingredients and everything. I'm gonna make a serving for 2 people because my dad also wants one. So let's get the ingredients. These acai packs, I get these from Costco and they're so good. Frozen strawberries, frozen mangoes. The bananas look disgusting. Yeah, okay. The outside looks really bad, but they're still good. I'm gonna use one for the blend and then one for toppings. Then we have almond milk. Those are all the ingredients for the base. Now let's put it in. I don't have specific measurements for each one. I kind of just eyeball it. Ooh, I think that was too much. Okay. Bro, why am I struggling? Ugh. I am struggling so bad right now. I keep putting too much. Next is the banana. I just like break it into pieces. Then the acai packs. And last but not least, some almond milk. Okay. And now we blend. I love this blender because it just works on its own. The last Ninja I had to like press on it like it was the bullet, and it was kind of like a lot of work. Not really, but this is just much easier. And then while I'm blending, I'm also gonna put away all the ingredients. Now I'm gonna pour it into my coconut bowls. I also have the spoons as well. I got these from Amazon, by the way. Now it's time for toppings. I use granola, shredded coconut, honey, and then the banana. Here are the finished bowls. I put plates under them just in case like it overflows. And I'm about to give this to my dad.
Thanks, Cole.
We're gonna eat at the dinner table. What time is it? It's 12:04 and I finished my acai bowl. It was really good, but I'm very cold now. Every time after I eat an acai bowl, I get really cold. But I kind of just want to like rest now, just like lay down and watch The Office. So I'm gonna take off all of my pillows that I just put on my bed. Bruh. Oh my god, it's so comfy. Alright, I'm gonna get my laptop, watch some Netflix, and then get up when I want to. Hola! I just posted this TikTok. Is TikTok like shutting down or something? I've seen so many videos saying like, oh, since TikTok is shutting down, like, here's my last goodbye, or something like that. I don't even know. It's gonna be weird if it shuts down. What are your guys' opinions about TikTok? Anyways, I wanted to show you guys how I clip my hair with the claw clip. Because if you saw in my last video, you saw that I got claw clips. They're just so cute to me. Anyways, this is how I do it. Go like this, and then you twist your hair. Can you see? And then you just put it into a bun and kind of leave like this part down. And then you go from like here down and then clip the top of the bun. And there you go. Yeah, I think it's so cute and like it holds my hair. I was expecting it to not hold it because like I have a lot of hair now. It's like almost to my butt. I was even like thinking about cutting it like here or like even getting bangs. I don't even know. Maybe I'll like do something with my hair this summer. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it to like hold on my hair, but it does. It's now 1 p.m. I think my mom is downstairs and we might make a salad soon. So I will update you guys when we do that. We're back in the kitchen. Oh, Mom, you haven't been in the video yet. Hello.
Making Nicole some salad, and then I'm gonna have some steak.
Salad time. I have been eating like pretty healthy lately. I had salad for the past 2 days, and then today will be the third day.
How to peel a cucumber?
I could try.
If you put your thumb like this. Okay, so hold it like this. How's the cucumber looking? Some fresh made chicken.
Yay. Fresh avocados.
What's that mean?
Fresh avocados.
Fresh avocados?
No. So you know how fresh avocados is spelled?
Fresh.
I mean fresh.
Oh, fresh avocados. Is that a thing?
Yeah.
Christian just showed me the croissant video today.
Of the Shrek. That video is so funny. This is Olive Garden dressing.
Oh my god.
Oh shoot.
Oh, hello.
That's
good, that's good.
Here is the finished salad. I'm gonna toss it real quick, but we're gonna give this chicken to Sadie. Sit, good, down, up. Good girl. I'm eating my salad. It's so good. It's also very good for you. Get in, loser. We're going shopping.
Are we?
No.
Oh, it's from Mean Girls.
It's so hot.
Oh, it's 94.
It's not fall. He doesn't like my British accent. He thinks I don't have.
It's not that I don't like it. It's just not good.
There was a comment saying your British accent is so good, Nicole. Thank you, sir. Anyways, we are in Christian's car right now. We're on the way to Dunkin' Donuts. We're gonna get like a half dozen donuts. I was craving some, so I was like, Christian, you wanna get donuts?
I said, let's go.
I have my Free People sunglasses on. Link in the description for some other products in my videos.
Oh. So, and we're done with this. Could I get a half a dozen of donuts? Could I get 2 strawberry sprinkled donuts, 2 plain donuts, and could I get a chocolate donut and then a maple donut? That'll be it.
Oh. Thank you. The donuts are secured. I'm gonna eat one. This whole video is just me eating. We're home. Guess who has some packages to open? I have 2 packages to open. I already know what they are and I'm very excited to open them. I'm gonna do this one first. This is from the brand Drip Creations. I'll put their ad on the screen for their Instagram. I'll put a picture of the shoes that they sent me before. They're the black and red hearts and they're literally the cutest shoes ever. They sent me another pair with some butterflies. Oh my god, they're so cute and this is so sweet. And then they also have clothing pieces. They gave me the matching hoodie with the shoes. It's like the cozy material too. I love it. Thank you, Drip. Okay guys, next package. Oh my god. I got these hoodies from Amazon. I got 2 of them and I'll explain why later. But they say Mystic Falls Timberwolves and then Salvatore 17 on the back. If you guys don't know these references, it's from The Vampire Diaries, which is one of my favorite shows. I got 2 of them because I'm also gonna give one to a friend because her birthday is coming up. I really want it to be a surprise though, so hopefully she's not watching this video. Those are the packages that I got. I'm literally so excited to wear this. That was my little unboxing haul. It is now 7 o'clock. As you guys can see, I'm in my TBD hoodie. I've just been chilling in my room. I'm gonna go take a shower now, so I'm putting my earrings away and then I'm gonna pick out my pajamas for the night. I'm probably just gonna wear this hoodie to sleep. So I got my clothes and now I am in the bathroom. Before I hop into the shower though, I'm gonna show you guys like the products I use in there because some of you guys wonder what I use, and then also this is kind of like the start of my self-care things that I'm gonna do today because I plan on shaving my legs in the shower. Okay. First, wash my face with the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. The shampoo and conditioner I've been using are from Dove, just like Intense Repair shampoo and conditioner. And then I use coconut oil to shave with. This makes your skin feel so soft. And then last but not least, I use this Lush exfoliator. I'm gonna hop into the shower. I will see you guys when I get out. Yes, I still have this hoodie on. Probably gonna wear it to sleep because it's very cozy. Anyways, the shower was really good and my legs are very soft right now. But I'm going to apply a face mask. This is from Florence by Mills. Millie Bobby Brown's makeup line. It just looks like that and I'm just gonna apply it on my face. Looks like a coin. Like, look how shiny I am. My face mask is on. It's a peel off mask, so I just have to wait until it dries. Anyways, me and mom are gonna do our nails now. She's doing her toes right now. I think I'm just gonna do my nails. Here are my finished nails. It literally matches my hoodie. And then I also took off the mask and did my nighttime skincare. By the way, I showed my nighttime skincare in my night routine video that I posted like a few weeks ago. It is now 8:28 and I'm going downstairs for dinner. Mom made beef and broccoli. Laeno fam, say hi.
Hey!
Where's Sadie? Hi, Sades. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Yummy. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Today was a really good day. It was super chill, very relaxing, and I just did a bunch of stuff that made me happy, like eating. I felt like I ate a lot in this video. But I'm going to edit this video because I'm actually filming this the day before it's being posted, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just gonna edit it and get it up for you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and go to my community tab to comment and turn on my post notifications so you guys get notified every time I post. I've been posting every Tuesday and Friday lately, and I don't know how long that's gonna last, but I hope you guys are enjoying the content. See you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye.
We've lost